Hey there, today we're going to look at how to upload files to a shared Google Drive folder. So let's get started. First, click on the shared Google Drive link you received. This could be through email, WhatsApp, Gmail, or any other messaging app. After that, open the shared folder link. Over here, go to the Shared with Me section in Google Drive and locate the folder that was shared with you. Once you're inside, go to the top left corner and click New, then click File Upload. Now select the file you want to upload from your device. Alternatively, you can open File Explorer, highlight the files you want to upload, and drag them directly into the shared folder. After that, wait for the upload to finish. Once it's done, you'll see a green tick next to the uploaded files. You'll also be able to confirm who uploaded what and see that the files are in the shared folder. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.